Here are the top 5 things that I love about my 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. Welcome back to KPT Garage. If you're new here, I'm on my car journey as I learn more about cars, from builds, driving, track days, and everything in between. So follow along and let's get started with the top 5 things I love about my 2017 Porsche Macan GTS. The first thing I love is going to be the overall look. I was sold with this car based on the fact of how the sleek design is. It's an SUV, but it also looks sporty. I had to have the blackout package. I loved it. I just thought it looked super mean. I mean, check out these black rims, the big brakes. Also, it's kind of like that gunmetal, like sleek gray, which I really love. So overall, the design is the first thing that I was like, this may be the car for me. It's also the GTS package, which I think just adds a little bit extra to the Porsche Macan, and it has the black exhaust tips with that and sits a little bit lower, which is just really nice. The second thing that I love is the interior. So moving on, as you can see, it's a little bit dirty because I've been in the dust out here, but I think the interior is just super comfortable. The seats are very quality. You have the tach right there, which looks really nice. The RPMs are right in front of you, which is also a nice feature. We have the key on the left side, due to the history with the Le Mans races, which I think is just really, really awesome to have. And one of my favorite things too are these carbon fiber inlays right here and also on the dash. And I think it just really adds to something extra. I love the interior. The third thing I love is gotta be the Porsche PDK. I mean, honestly, it just can't be beat. With this transmission, it's perfect. I mean, it's like it knows when to shift. When you're in automatic, it's so smooth, or you can shift between automatic and manual. I love to play around with the paddle shifters, just have a little fun. They're so quick and responsive. I've just been so impressed with the Porsche PDK. I heard so much about it, and I can see why. The fourth thing I love about this car, by far, the drivability. I mean, when I got this, I was like, man, I don't know if I could buy an SUV because I really wanted a car, and I got in this thing and it drives like a car, which is just beyond impressive. I mean, I was skeptical, and then when I got in and drove it, I was like, this is it. I love how low it sits, and even though it's an SUV and I have more space, it feels just like a car, and I love it. The final thing that I love about this car has got to be the bargain. I mean, I just can't believe, so the first owner must have paid close to 100 grand for this car. I got it for under 40, it's CPO, under warranty, and I got it for under 40K. Plus, I can have so much fun driving it, but it's so functional for an everyday. I can go get groceries, I can actually fit things in this car if I wanted to do a road trip, but I can also have fun and keep that sporty feel while also having the space of an SUV. And with the deal I got on it, I mean, I don't know how you beat it. I love it. Thanks so much for watching. These are the top 5 things I love about my Porsche Macan GTS. Comment below, let me know how I could do better. I'm still in the learning process, but I want to learn more as well if you think that there's other things I should have added to this video or things that I'm missing. So be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the road.